Rais mstaafu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta amewaacha Wakenya kwa jumla wakipata kuzungumza kwenye mitandao ya kijamii baada ya yeye hapo jana kumpeleka mkewe Margaret Kenyatta katika ziara katika moja ya project ambazo anazifanya kaunti ya Nairobi. Kulingana na ripoti ambayo tunaipokea ni kwamba Rais Uhuru Kenyatta yesterday together with the former First Lady Margaret Kenyatta went on to visit Gatundu North project. The former President Uhuru Kenyatta made a visit to Karimenu 2 Second Dam in Gatundu North constituency. Kenyatta was accompanied by former First Lady Margaret Kenyatta and Mama Ngina Kenyatta, according to a report seen by our news desk. The former head of state explored the dam project on Tuesday 19th December. The three arrived at the dam site at precisely 5:10 p.m. and took time to inspect the dam intake towers and the spillway. The trio spent over an hour at the dam site engaging with officials and local representatives. The former president and his companions left the Karimenu Dam premises at 6:24 p.m. in concluding the visit without any reported incident. Only on July 2021, the country woke up to a trading photo of a casually dressed President Kenyatta sharing a moment with three unidentified Kenyans in the most unusual manner. The photo showed President Kenyatta posing with three residents who, from the look of their clothes, were tending their farm deep duties in the rural areas. The news revealed that he was able to trace the photo reveals that Uhuru Kenyatta visited the place that he was in the year 2021, which has since become a talk of the town. You know, many said that Kenyatta Uhuru arudi uko kwao Ichaweri, and seems he's doing pretty fine right now as Kenyans go through the torch of the current regime under President William Ruto. What is your take and what is your message to President Uhuru Kenyatta as we conclude the year? Leave a comment on the comment section. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE.